ever knew that you can use black and rose gold clay, that is, in your hair? Stay tuned to see what I do. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and I thank all of my roses that continue to come back to my channel time and time again. But if you see those rose petals dropping and haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and do so. Get it on out the way. Join us in the rose garden where we're growing and glowing. Yes, roses, today we're going to use this black and rose gold clay hair and scalp cleanser, hair follicle deep cleanser from Cachos Brazil. Shout out to Cachos Brazil for sending me another product for me to try for you guys and review. So, as you can see, I've just opened this and it is straight up clay that I will be mixing in this water I have right here. Now this is warm water, and per the directions you can use it two ways. You can use it as a hair mask, and as a hair mask you are to or you can use it as a hair rinse per the directions here. Now initially I figured, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and use this as a hair mask because I know it'll be thicker that way. But as you see, I kind of switch it up as we go. So just watch here and I'll get back to you on what I finally decided to do. Okay, so I'm looking at this amount like this is not enough for my whole head. So as you can see, I added way more water and I did add a little bit more of the mask, but we have turned this into a rinse. And so since I could not find an applicator bottle, I just went ahead and used a water bottle and pour the contents in, and this will go into the shower with me. Okay, all done. So the test here for this clay wash, or clay rinse, as we did, was to see if it got all of the gel I had all around the front of my hair. So feeling the back, so far so good. My hair feels soft. This did help define my curls. My scalp appears to be clean, and I no longer feel the buildup of gel I had previously in my hair. Mission accomplished. I believe everything is clean. My curls are popping again. This was really a nice experience. It was messy. Trust me, it was messy, but it did what it came to do. I feel like my scalp and my hair is really detoxed. Whether this is used as a mask or clay cleanser, this has wonderful ingredients in it that will benefit your hair as well as your scalp. Let me know, have you used anything with black and rose gold clay in it before? If you subscribed, hit the notification bell and like this video. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.